Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. I have gotten in the truck already. I just arrived at the track and he was helping them load the square bales and it sounds like they ran out. So he has jumped in the Massey Ferguson and he's gonna bale some more square hay for them. It sounds like they've already got like 3 rows raked, so he's just gonna go ahead and finish baling and then I'll help them load. And so that is how we're starting our evening.
So when it gets lined up, I need you to put that in there, but I gotta make sure this washer gets in the right spot too, which is gonna be a trick, I think. I may have to get a screwdriver to push it. Well, yeah, the washer fell. Figure out how to get the washer in there.
It's too bad you can't drop it down there like Plinko.
Yeah.
What if, hear me out. What if you put the washer, just the washer in, I hold it with this, and then you put the roller in? Close down. I see. Yeah.
Okay.
Do I need to go back some?
That's the
okay,
problem.
slow down, slow down. Okay.
Which way you think it needs to go?
This, towards me.
No, it's got to go the opposite way. You, all right, pull back just a tad.
I can't pull it at all, it's jammed.
Let's see if you can.
Dang it.
Oh crap.
Oh crap, that was a bad idea.
There we go.
Is there something I can do?
I'm trying to figure out here. I wonder, hold the bolt, don't let it fall out. And see if I can push it up and hang it with the belt. Oh,
Should have went out.
for a second. Okay, so it should be close there with the belt. Should be close there. See, it's pretty close. So see if you can get the bolt
Down.
Not that much down. Need like a screwdriver or something.
I need something just a little bit.
Get it?
No. Doesn't mean I'm not trying, but there's no hope of it working.
Just too big.
Probably, but we'll give her a whirl.
Push it up.
Well, the problem is that it's kind of sliding around too.
Oh, here comes BJ Good. I was trying to get something where you could hold it on the bottom.
I mean, it was a good idea, but also not at the same time.
See if I can balance it until you get the bolt in.
It's round, so unless you can like press on it.
All right. Got it?
Yep.
All right.
I think it just needs to go up a hair.
Yeah, I hate
What,
that.
what happened? I can't tell it. What, now it's like hung up
Yeah.
again. It's like it's down too far. I can't tell what it
I
needs
think
to
it's
do.
inside the, it's not in the thread.
Yeah. So either.
I think what we're gonna have to do is use a screwdriver to hold it till we get it centered, then put the bolt in there. You see what I'm saying? That's true. That's true. Because you got by with it, and people are like, don't worry about it. Yeah, I don't know how to do it though.
Well, I know that's the thing.
Oh, hang on a second. Just let that hold it. Hang on just. Yeah. Maybe I could take these and kind of brace the washer where it won't move, and then hold the roller. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Up.
Yeah.
Oh no, the washer's moving. Up. There we go. I can't see it now. I don't know what it's doing now again.
Sorry.
You think it's threading?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Teamwork makes the dream work. They're gonna need more air. So I tried to dodge that.
What was that?
The socket popped off.
Oh, I was like, did the washer fall out again? I don't understand. I don't understand.
They ended the tailgate on it. So no, there's no valve on those locations. Yes. Anyway. Did this have pressure on it? Yes. It's got a little bit of tension. I get that in there first. You got to put it.
Thankfully, they had one of those belts in stock, because if you had to do this again for fun in a couple
much was
days.
$78 for that.
They
belt.
said $80 on. Got it.
Yeah, I got it. I just got to get it on up in there. That head's got to go up in the
Right.
band, right?
Yeah, but this,
We need to
this
start.
has got to start
Yeah.
on this side. Well, I guess you say, like I said, fix the head, then it may straighten the other side of it. That's what they need to do.
Come in. Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, I kicked it at an angle, dude. There it is. Heather's coming tomorrow with.
Rico! that? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Y'all be careful. Yes, sir. Y'all as well.
Okay. He is going to see if it is fixed. I'm not sure at what point he can determine that. I don't know if he has to actually, sorry, I'm in the truck right now. I don't know if he has to actually wrap a bale to figure that out, or if what it's doing right now means that it's already fixed. And I'm having to avoid all the garbage on the road. Okay. It looks like it is fixed. It almost took a turn for the south, so it's a good thing that I was here, because it was about to close on top of it and rip it all up again. But it looks like that's all it was just that belt. And you can see here where, see, that's what happens. It ends up closing on the bale, and then it rips the net wrap and then jams up and messes up the baler as well. So woohoo, success for the day. Here comes BJ. He just finished doing some raking. Perfect. So right now he's baling in the bottom part of this field. BJ just raked it 2 rounds around. He's picking up the last of it, but this field goes all the way up here. I don't know if you can tell how far down he is, but it's quite a little incline, I suppose you would call it. The grade is probably, I don't know, I imagine it's more than 7%. I haven't really built up enough confidence to enjoy driving on the side of a hill. I'm getting better since that's part of my job, and this is actually what we're working right now is actually what I'll have to bush hog once we're out of here making hay. So I'm getting some seat time making hay for us before I get paid to do it. And away he goes. And then BJ has just shown up over here, and he's actually gonna rake the side of the hill. And this is not what I enjoy. I don't enjoy this at all. Nope, not my cup of tea. I was gonna do it, and then BJ got here, and I was so thankful. I don't enjoy it at all. And there he goes, just off into the ravine. Thank you, BJ. I did not want to do that. And then Sean's over here baling. And it looks like BJ is just finishing up this last row down here. Rico, come on. Come on, buddy. And so he'll finish this up, and then Sean will bale it, and then that should be all for tonight. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And God bless you. Rico, oh, I see what you're doing. You're marking tires. You silly, silly thing. You're a silly little guy, aren't you?